Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add a password in your Windows 11 account. So for that, first you have to open your settings. I'm gonna go to start menu and click on settings. You can search on here as well. So open your settings. In top left corner you will find your profile name. Click on that, and here you will find sign in options. Click on that. So in here there will be many type of password. You can set these first 4 if you have if you are currently signed in your Microsoft account, also this one. But if you are not signed in Microsoft account, then you can set a password from here. So click on password and click on add. Here you will have to type your password. So you have to type your password in here and confirm the password here, and you can add a password hint if you want. So after typing all this, you have to click on next and click on finish. Your password will be added, and you can change it from here anytime. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.